Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install World of Tanks Heat game, and this game is completely free to download. So here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to store, and in search the store search for World of Tanks Heat and then click on the World of Tanks Heat game. Scroll down and here you will see play World of Tanks Heat game, free to play game. So click on play game button. And here you can see World of Tanks Heat game, and the file size is 22.05 GB. So click on install. Now go to library, and here you can see that World of Tanks Heat game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download World of Tanks Heat game for free via the Steam launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.